gonna start right here. Can you see me? Okay, yeah, you can see me. Okay. So today it's Saturday, the day before I post, and I have no video idea. So what we're gonna do is do a vlog. Follow me on my day today. I have several things I need to do today. First, I'm gonna talk you through obviously my outfit of the day. And I'm going to go out grab a quick breakfast with the hubby. So I'll probably bring you on that. Going to a friend's birthday party / going away party, and going out to dinner with the hubby. In between, I got some other things I need to do. Maybe it might bring me out the house. Maybe it won't, but we'll see. I think one of my other girlfriends plans to stop by. The one who gave me the arrow garden. She's coming over to help me prune or whatever, because my arrow garden is growing. Oh, let me show it to you. Look how much progress it's made. I had to raise this up even higher. So everything is growing. The thing that is growing the slowest is this. I don't know what it is. It's parsley. And this one's growing the slowest, but everything else is wild. So we are ready to clip some and eat some. My rosemary plant, on the other hand, I think we can classify this as dead. What do you think? I think that's it. It's a few little green sprigs on this, but above and beyond, I think this is because this is like really hard and twiggy. So I joined a gardening group, and they suggested that I give it a really deep drink of water, so much so that it drained out onto the plate, and put it into direct sunlight, which, you know, I mean, this classifies as direct sunlight to me, right, coming through this window. So, yeah, I think that's the end of the road for the rosemary. So back to the outfit of the day. This is not fully the outfit of the day. I am wearing some loose fit jeans that I had from a really long time ago. These are Treasure and Bond. I remember when I first bought these, they were super, super baggy loose. But now that I'm like 10 pounds heavier, I think they fit now how they're intended to fit, just like a little bit of looseness. I've cuffed them down. They're distressed. It's cool. I've popped on this green suede belt. I don't know. Can you tell that it's green? Yeah. I popped on this green suede belt to go with the top that I'm going to be wearing today, and the sneakers. So let me go ahead and show you the rest of this. Okay, so this is the finished outfit. I popped on over the tank top that you saw. This, it's not vintage, it's brand new, but it's like a throwback Diodora sweatshirt. A nod to the 80s and 90s, I think, which goes with the whole, you know, sort of hip hop vibe, I suppose, with the loose jeans. Then I also threw on, to go with this, a pair of very light purple lilac. Whoa, is that a hole in my sock? Dang it. Okay, so the hole in my sock matches the hole in my jeans, I suppose. But yeah, so a whole nod to the 80s, 90s throwback feel. I've also, you can see, popped on some of my High lip gloss. Now you get a really good feel for how it looks. It's very, I don't know, just it enhances the lips. I really like that. I'm going to keep my slap cap on because underneath I have a few Sealy from the color purple braids, and I don't want to throw, you know, let those out at the moment. So that's my outfit for the day. I think I'm going to throw over top just a trench coat, and then we're ready to go. So we got our snacks here from Starbucks. Probably should have went to a small local cafe instead of Starbucks. They got enough money, don't they? My husband said, "Oh, this is your life now? Just got to film everything?" Yes, I do. So we're headed back. I miss the days when I used to be able to sit in the Starbucks and just people watch, drink my drink, eat my snack. That wasn't your thing, was it? He's trying to pretend like he's not sitting like right next to me. Obviously, I'm not driving. You're tripping. But yeah, I just miss those days. That used to be a big part of my weekend ritual. Like, I would go to the gym, sit in the cafe, and just people watch. And that's that. We can't do that. Can't do that. So, anyway, I just wanted to, it was insightful. I was remembering that about my former pre-COVID self and wanted to share that, but I'll be back. Deathstroke, tongue all down her throat. Hey. Okay, this is on the oldie station. Remember that Biggie used to be like, listening to Biggie used to be a bit risque. But now it's on the oldie station. Anyway, I decided to switch coats. I am in my blue and white H&M jacket. Kind of matches my denim a bit better. Kind of got a little Canadian tuxedo going. Anyway, I have to run out. I realized I can't show up to my friend's thing empty-handed. So I'm going to run out and get a little something. But kills two birds with one stone. Yeah, that's it. Because I wanted to get her, I started to get her a trunk club gift certificate. Then I went to go do that, and they don't do like trunk club specific experiences as a gift card. You have to get a Nordstrom gift card, and you choose to spend it however you like. So I'm like, okay, I've got to get a Nordstrom gift card, and I wanted to have it in hand and not and not send an e-card. So I was like, okay, I'll just go to my local Walgreens and pick up a gift card. But then I realized Nordstrom Rack is having a sale. So I'm going to kill two birds with one stone, check out the sale, and pick up a gift card. So that's where we're headed. When I'm out in public in a park, I always struggle with, do I want space so that nobody hits my car? Or do I want to be in a highly populated area for my safety? You guys let me know what you choose, but I usually try to go for where no one will scrape my baby. And I get to have access directly to the exit and entrance. If only I had somewhere to go, I would love to wear something like this. It's very flamboyant, but you know, I could be that way sometimes. This is cute. I have nowhere to go though. Let's see. 75 bucks. Yeah, have nowhere to go. Here's another one that's calling my name. Why? I don't know. It's all the crazy brightness. Somebody get me out of here. So I found a pair of jeans that look like they might be good. These are a pair of A Goldie jeans. They look high-waisted, paper bag, and wide. So we're gonna see how these look. It's kind of noisy in here today. But anyway, other thing I want to call out is this fitting room. Look how big it is. Jeez. Huge. Huge. I think this is intended to be a handicap, but this is the room they put me in. Anyway, let's get it on. So I'm a fan. These are interestingly a size 23. I can see why, because it really hugs the waist. But it has a lot of room like I like. It's not tapered at the bottom. I like the sort of acid wash look. So it does have this buckle, but I decided to tie it. I like this. I love the ample pockets on this, and in the back, ample pockets. So I think I'm gonna roll with these. They are, I don't have a bra on, so anyway. They are $59, and with today's sale, it's gonna be $45. The original price was $248, so this is a deal, a steal. So yes, we're gonna roll with these. So we got a couple things from Nordstrom Rack, and I'm gonna show you real quick. I got some pretty decent, well, one decent deal for sure. I don't know if you noticed, we saw this like sparkly intermix dress, dress from Intermix. It was like a silver disco ball kind of a dress, and the tag was like, it said it was $74.98 or something, and then like the original price said $99. But if you lift up the little sticker tags, it actually said that it was $5.35 was the original price. Sometimes you look up on deals that way too, like they mislabel the discount on there, original price to current price, and you have an actually a deeper discount than you even thought based on like the little clearance tag that they have on there. So that actually happened with one of the things I bought today. So I bought another bra, and this one was listed at $649, and then an additional 25% off. I think it was like $469 or $499, something like that. Oh, actually, how about we just look at the receipt? $487 for the bra. It's a Donna Karan bra. The only thing with this is it's kind of sheer, but who cares? I mean, I'm going to have it on under my clothes. It's not a bathing suit or anything like that. So as long as I have coverage, I normally get extra small in bras or bralettes. And I just figured, let me go ahead and get a small. I'm a little girthier than usual. So this should probably fit, I think. And it's adjustable, so it should fit. The other thing that I got a really good deal on, you guys saw me try on in the fitting room, was the pair of A Goldie paper bag jeans. These are the Aiden paper bag waist jeans. And so it says here on the price tag that it's $59.98. It says that it was originally $79.97, but that's not the price of these jeans. The original price of these jeans are $248. They're still available on the A Goldie website, but in a more like a charcoal color rather than the blue. And then you can get them, I don't know where else you can get them, because I looked at other places like Shop Bop and A Goldie, and I think, I don't know, one other place. And this acid wash or blue kind of color is no longer available. But the original price legit is $248, and they've mislabeled this. So I ended up getting these for $44.99. And the original price, like I said, was $248. So that's a $200 discount on these jeans. I ended up getting these in a size 23. And the only reason why that works for me is because my waist is kind of small. The rest of me, my thighs and my butt, are not so small. But the waist part is the part that is small here, and that works for me. And then the rest of it is wide, so it worked out for me. So I got a really good deal on these jeans. And you guys know I've been on the hunt looking for baggy jeans. My girlfriend and I were just talking about jeans in general, and we've recognized that jeans are not all that comfortable. In some way, somehow, we still get suckered into buying jeans all the time, or I do. I feel like I need jeans in my life. And so the happy medium has become all of these loose, baggy, 90s style jeans for me. Those are comfy. I get them in a material that's really soft, like worn. So they do move with me. A lot of materials that are slightly rigid but still move with you. Those are the type of jeans that I've been going for. They're kind of worn in, and we'll see how we do with that. And then once I get enough of those, what am I going to do with my older jeans? I don't even know. But so we got 2 more things to do for today. I'm going to stop by my girlfriend's party and then going out to dinner with the hubby. And then I'm going to call it a night. And we'll have a really, really, really long video for tomorrow. All right, so we've arrived. Balloons always means that a party is to be had. So we are here. Let's go in. Look how pretty Maria is. Thank you. So we're saying, congratulations, wishing her the best, bon voyage, happy birthday, all in one. Look how pretty. Look at her outfit. Oh my gosh. All right. So I'm back home. We're done. We went to a place called Taquito Kitchen, and I would not recommend that place. You saw what I had there to eat, but the food was average at best, and the portions were really small for the amount that you pay. I mean, it's not overly expensive, so I got like 2 little tacos for $8. They were veggie tacos, and like a small cup of rice. It was probably like a half of a cup if you measured it of rice for $4. So I don't know, like depends on like where you're going, that determines the price. But for a place like this, anyway, so that's the end of my day. Been all over and around, enjoyed myself, got some things done, but wanted to take you along. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully that wasn't too long, because that was long. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't already. Am I pointing the right way? Is either this way or that, whatever. Just subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button, share it with your friends. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions about anything. There's hubby.